Hi, I would like to show you my new tire inflator air compressor, upgraded with many cool features. This Nilight inflator works using either 12-volt car cigarette lighter plug or 110-volt home power, or included rechargeable battery, which makes it very convenient. This inflator equipped with a high-performance chip and delivers a speedy inflation of 22 liters per minute. It takes less than 2 minutes to inflate car or SUV tires. To use it, select and connect power source. You can choose between 110-volt source, 12-volt cigarette lighter in your car or battery. Connect the air hose to the tire. Set the unit mode and desired tire pressure value. You can switch between PSI, kPa, and bar. Turn power on to start inflating. No need to babysit the inflation process. The air compressor automatically stops when the preset tire pressure is reached, giving you peace of mind. The package includes the portable air compressor pump, a powerful 1500 mAh battery, a battery charger, 3 nozzles, and an instruction manual. With 3 included nozzles, this inflator isn't limited to just tires. It works seamlessly with valves on cars, SUVs, ATVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Also, the accessories provided can inflate balloons, sports balls, air pillows, cushions, and mattresses. And for those nighttime emergencies, the LED lighting feature is extremely useful with backup light, warning light, and flashlight modes. It also has USB charger in inflator and battery. The other feature that I like about this air pump compressor, it is compact and light. Thanks to Nilight for giving me opportunity to review this tire inflator. I really like it. Please check the link in video description below for more information. Have a good day and safe driving.